Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。今天呢，我们继续呢教大家怎么去接受一个人的邀请。We're teaching you this month how to say, "Do you want to go out together?" 要不要一起去？
爱穷哈希望。
爱穷哈希望 Okay, that's how you say, "Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out together?" 但是呢 a lot of times we want to refuse, okay? 很多时候要拒绝。那拒绝呢有很多的原因咯，对不对？有可能是真的没有兴趣哦，那有可能因为最近忙，那下一次等等。Okay, let's teach you certain ways to refuse someone when they ask you to go out. Maybe you just don't have that interest, okay? 所谓没兴趣，不知道是为了那件事情没兴趣，还是为了那个人没兴趣，我就不知道了。这个回答有双关哈。
对啊，
没兴趣啦。
没兴趣。
Oh, is that how you say it? I'm not interested. 没兴趣. Okay, 没兴趣, that means I'm not interested. That's very general. It could be about the thing that you're going to do, or maybe it's even about the person, okay? 好，那除了没兴趣之外，或许我们会说啊，下次啦啊。其实常听到的就是这个答案。Next time, we always say that. You know, maybe next time. All right, 下次怎么说
？Honey bye.
Honey bye. 哎，这个还蛮有趣的。It sounds like honey bye.
就是说下次啦。
下次的意思，对，就很有礼貌的 honey bye， 我们下次再约。
真是
honey bye， OK， that means next time。
那海陆腔
，OK， 海陆腔，那有 honey 了吗？
还有一点像honey bye。
哦，honey bye， OK， 比较有一点扭捏捏不敢讲的感觉哦。honey bye， it still sounds like honey bye, but it's a different dialect, all right? That means next time. And then finally, maybe recently you don't have enough time, OK？ 要说最近，可能最近比较忙等等，最近怎么说？
亚博诶
OK, that's recently, all right? So let's make a phrase. 我最近比较忙 I am kind of busy lately.
我亚博诶卡莫罕
哦，我亚博诶卡莫罕
对，
卡莫罕的是卡波眼嘛？
对。
Okay, that means, again, I'm a little busy lately. All right, let's review all these phrases. 没兴趣 I'm not interested.
没兴趣
and then maybe next time, 下次
honey bye.
对，没错 honey bye. And then finally, lately or recently, 最近
亚博诶
And it's all about asking people to go out together. 要不要一起去？
爱穷哈希望
爱穷哈希望 And there you go. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.